Guys, there's a visitor here.
Your ninang.
Nina.
Sinabon niyo ang kalawakang kita niyo yung pinakadagat niyo.
Guys, do you even know why I say
Ginawa sa bundok, sa mismong bundok.
that visitor like that? Because we're in Tagalog and Ninang is just a noun.
Kita lang niya, maganda lang dito sa
Huh?
bilang na okay.
I don't know what Ninang meaning is. I just know it's
Your godmother.
Oh, you're dead man.
Your godmother.
Godmother? What?
Yes, godmother. That's a ninang.
Okay. Meron na naman. Dahil hindi kami yung naglago na.
Okay then.
Nasa bundok. Sobrang lamig na kayo sa bagay mo kami.
Oh guys, do you see my new chinelas?
Ay, sobrang lamig. Sobrang ganda. Ang ilaw kita.
And guys, if you are new to this channel,
Then, bubukas ng bintana.
my real name is Uno Miguel J. Prado. My YouTube channel name is Uno Miguel because my nickname is Uno Miguel. What? No? My nickname is Uno Miguel? Right, Mom? Yes. And as you can see, this is a beautiful kind of mom. My mom. Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day too.